Hello, dear student. I hope you are safe at your home with your family during this pandemic. For your convenience, I, Dr. Ashish Srivastava from IFTM University, Moradabad, have prepared a video lecture on biological databases. Biological databases. Biological databases are a collection of biological information with majority includes life sciences information collected from scientific experiment, published literature, high throughput experiment technology and computational analysis. What is data and what is information? Data is a raw, unorganized fact that it requires to be processed, and information, when data is processed, organized, or presented in a given context so as to make it useful, is called information. Need of biological databases. Databases are important tools is assisting to analyze and explain host of biological phenomena for the structure, biomolecules and interaction to the whole metabolism of organism and understanding evolution of species. Next, features of biological database. Information contained in biological database include gene function, structure localization, clinical effects of mutation, as well as similarities of biological sequences and structure. Biological database can be broadly classified into sequence, structure and functional database. Type of databases. Type of biological database on the basis of the source can be broadly classified into primary database and secondary database. On the basis of source, primary database are also called as archival database. They are populated with experimentally derived data such as nucleotide sequence, protein sequence and macromolecular structure. Experimental results submitted directly into the database by researcher, and data can be archival in nature. Primary database, for example, gene bank, EMBL एंड DNA सीक्वेंस प्लॉट PR. प्राइमरी डाटाबेस वो डाटाबेस होते हैं जो एक्सपेरिमेंटली रिजल्ट द्वारा हमें मिलते हैं. दिस इज अ प्राइमरी डाटाबेस. एग्जाम्पल जीन बैंक, DDBJ, EMBL, Swiss Prot, other database. Gene bank. Gene bank is the NIH sequence database, an annotated collection of all publicly available DNA database. Gene bank is a part of International Nucleotide Sequence Database collaboration, which comprise DNA Data Bank of Japan, the European Nucleotide Archive, and Gene Bank at NCBI. These organizations exchange data on the daily basis. A gene bank release occurs every 2 months and it available from the FTP site. DDBJ यानी DNA Data Bank of Japan. Next database is DNA Data Bank of Japan. DNA Database of Japan has been providing public database service from 30 years. We are collecting nucleotide sequence data from researcher as a member of International Nucleotide Sequence Database collaboration. In collaboration with the US National Center of Biotechnology, Information and European Bioinformatics Institute. And next database is EMBL, European Molecular Database. The Constitute of Europe Primary Nucleotide Database. The EMBL Nucleotide Sequence Database resource. DNA, RNA sequences are directly submitted from researcher, genome sequencing groups and collected from scientific literature and patent application. Swiss Prot. Swiss Prot is a protein sequence database which strives provide a high level of annotation and the function protein, its domains, structure, post-translation modification and minimum level of redundancy, high level of integration with our database. PIR. The PIR is a located Georgetown University Medical Center is an integrated public bioinformatic resource to support genomic and proteomic research and scientific study. It contains protein sequence database. Secondary database, it is a curated database. Secondary database derived from the result primary database. They are often to as curated database. It contains some valuable information about mutation, evolutionary relationships. For example, ProCite, PFAM, blocks and secondary database वो database होते हैं जो primary database से information लेते हैं. Is a curated database. This is called secondary database. For example, ProCite is a protein database. It consists of entries describing the protein families, domains and functional sites as well as amino acids patterns profiled in them. So ProCite contains documentation entry and describing the protein families and functional site as well as associated pattern and profile to identify them. And next, PFAM. PFAM means protein family database. It is to provide complete and accurate of information protein families and domain. Originally rationale behind creating database was to a semi-automated method for curating information unknown protein family to improve efficiency of annotated genome. Prints. Most protein family characterized by several conserved motif. You know that motif protein structure में होते हैं, सभी को पता है motifs किस में होते हैं, प्रोटीन के स्ट्रक्चर में. All of these motifs can aid the constructing the signature of different families. The principle is highlighted in the constructed print database. With prints, motifs are encoded unweighted local alignment. So small local alignment, you don't, सभी लोग जानते हैं local alignment. Alignment means arranging the sequence, protein and nucleotide sequences. So small initially multiple sequence alignment are taken to identify conserve motifs. And next, blocks. In this database, the motifs are created automatically by highlighting and detecting the most conserved region of each family of protein. Block database are fully automated. On the basis of nature of data, तो अब हम सेकेंडरी बायोलॉजिकल डाटा को डिवाइन कर सकते हैं बेसिस ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ डेटा. बायोलॉजिकल डेटाबेस सेकेंडरी क्लासिफाई इनटू nature of data: structure database, sequence database and other database. Structure database and PDB. PDB means protein database. Scope means structural classification of protein. Cath, class, architecture, topology and homology. And sequence database, protein database and nucleic acid database. Swissprot, PIR, TRMBL, ProCite, PFAM and nucleic acid database, GenBank, TDBJ and EMBL is already discussed. Other database, Rebase, GPRDB database और अदर टाइप के अदर डाटाबेस भी होते हैं. अदर स्पेशलाइज्ड डाटाबेस. OMIM, Online Mendelian Inheritance in Man, is a continuously updated catalog of human gene and genomic disorder and trait, with a particular focus on the gene-phenotype relationship. And second, Human Gene Mutation Database. And third, Transcription Fact Database. And fourth, RNA Family Database. And application of database. Number one, the major application of these database they are shareable worldwide. And second, they contain information about genome and protein of every species. And third, the primary database provide natural form of data so work as initial. And fourth, they also contain information of mutation and evolutionary relationship. Future of biological database. Due to strong computational platform, biological database have become a vital in providing the infrastructure needed for biological research, from data preparation of data extraction. The simulation of biological system also require computational platform, which further underscore the need for biological database. These databases will definitely help in further studies or protein or nucleic acid. The future of biological database looking bright as a part to the digital world. At last, I hope that after watching this video lecture, you were to be able to analyze and need importance of biological database, able to recognize various type of biological database and its use. Thank you.